Assalamu alaikum students. I am Ms. Rimsha from State School Kamuki campus. I hope you are all doing great. Today's lecture is about unit number 9, Quality of Education, a key to success. In this lecture, we will learn about the importance of quality education in promoting sustainable development, economic growth, social equality, and individual empowerment. And we will identify the role of education in fostering critical skills such as literacy, numeracy, digital literacy, and problem solving and innovation. Also, we will describe how education contributes to social cohesion, gender equality, peace building, and cultural understanding. I hope you will understand the all concepts of this unit, quality of education, and at the end of this lecture, you have to solve all questions, exercise questions, and box questions you will learn and write on your English notebook. Firstly, we will discuss about what is quality education. It is essential for the sustainable development of our world and it helps individuals gain in knowledge, skills and values necessary for their productive and fulfilling lives. It encompasses a holistic approach to education that equips learners with the knowledge, skills, values and attitudes necessary to thrive in a rapidly changing world. And it also develops the critical thinking. It develops the ability to analyze information, ask questions and find creative solutions to problems. And it also develops the students readers life skills, in which the quality education teaches important life skills like communication, teamwork and ethical values. Why quality education matters? It is important for individual growth and for society. How it matters for individual growth? Because it opens door to better career opportunities and build confidence and self-esteem, and it also develops independent thinking, improves quality of life. How it matters for society? Because it creates informed citizens, reduces poverty and inequality, and it drives economic development, promotes peace and understanding. It fosters economic growth, reduces poverty, promotes gender equality, and helps protect the environment. In Pakistan, where a significant portion of the population is young, investing in education can unlock the potential of millions, driving the country towards a prosperous and sustainable future. What are the benefits of quality education? It is better for career opportunities, it improves the health and social development. Quality education leads to better job opportunities and higher earning potential. Education helps people to make informed decisions about health and well being, and students learn to respect diversity and work together effectively. In Pakistan, quality education is essential for economic growth. It equips individuals with skills and knowledge necessary for the workforce. For example, subjects like mathematics, science, and technology help students develop critical thinking and problem solving abilities. These skills are in high demand in various industries, including technology, healthcare, and engineering. By preparing students for these fields, quality education can reduce unemployment and underemployment, leading increased economic prosperity. Our next slide is about the exercise and box questions that is very important to learn and write on your English notebook. This is your home task that is assigned, and also I have molded these questions for your board exams. If a question that will come by molding in your board exam, you should be able to understand the questions. Why is education important for success? It is important because it provides knowledge, skills, and confidence needed to achieve your goals and succeed in various different fields. Question number 2 is about how does education help in personal growth? It is about your how education help in your personal growth, because education builds self confidence, develops independent thinking, and helps individuals make informed decisions. Quality education empowers individuals by providing them with the knowledge, skills, and confidence needed to navigate various aspects of life. It enables individuals to pursue better job opportunities, engage in critical thinking, and participate actively in social, economic, and political activities. What are the benefits of quality education for society? You have to tell the benefit of quality education for your society. For example, if you are uh, if you got quality education, and how it could be benefit for your society. It creates informed citizen, reduces poverty, drives economic growth, and promotes peace. It empowers marginalized populations with the skills and knowledge necessary to secure better employment opportunities and improve their living standards. Question number 4 is about how does education reduce poverty? Education provides skills for better jobs, increases earning potential, and breaks the cycle of poverty. So it is helpful to reduce the poverty. And the next part is about question number 5. What role do teachers play in quality education? Like if a teacher delivering a lecture, how can she or he deliver the quality education to the students? If he or she got better education, then they should be able to deliver the quality education. Teachers guide students, explain concepts clearly, motivate learning, and help develop critical thinking skills. Question number 6 is about why are modern facilities important. Modern facilities why are important? Because it provide important resources, technology, and comfortable learning environments for effective education to make learning more effective. Question number 7, what life skill does education teach? What life skills uh, teach you about the education? Because education teaches communication, teamwork, problem solving, time management, and ethical values. If you got quality education, then these skills will develop in your personalities. You should be able to communicate in better way, you should be able to work in a teamwork, and you should be able to solve the problem, and you can arrange or manage your time, and you should be able to speak with moral values. Question number 8 is about how does education improve health? How education improve health? Because educated people understand health information better and make healthier lifestyle choices. It is about if you are uh, you are having a fast food, or the on the other side you are taking the homemade food. If you are educated, you should be able to know about how junk food uh, destroy your health issues, and homemade food that will be beneficial and good for your health. How can we improve education quality? By training teachers well, providing modern resources, making learning student centered, and ensuring equal access for all. What does this question mean? Like, if you are just following the cramming rules in your school, you shouldn't be able to get the quality education, and your school providing the trainings to your teachers, and it can be very beneficial for the teachers and the students, and also for all the school environment, and it can make learning more effective, and instead of class looking like a teacher centered, it should be student centered. Question number 13, why is critical thinking important in education? It is important because it helps students analyze information, question assumptions, and find creative solutions to problems. For example, if you have a question about any other topic, and you have to think about it, you should be able to give different ideas on that problem, and you should be able to solve that real world problems and create the solutions. Question number 14 is about how does education contribute to economic development? Educated workforce increases productivity, drives innovation, and attracts investments, leading to economic growth. When you are educated and you have quality education, you should be able to grow your economic development. So these questions are very important, and you have to learn and write on your English notebook, and you should be and you have to learn these questions from your RO book. Dear students, here is a portion about grammar and vocabulary practice. First portion is about synonyms and the second one is about correct spelling. You have to find similar meaning synonyms of these words: quality, success, education and knowledge, and you have to correct these spellings: education, success, quality and opportunity. You have to rewrite these words on your English notebook. Remember to use singular verbs with singular subjects and plural verbs with plural subjects. Dear students, I hope at the end of this lecture you will be able to learn and write 15 questions, that is included your exercise and box questions, and practice writing them in your own words, and complete all exercise questions from unit number 9 in your English notebook with proper formatting, and write answers to all box questions given in the unit number 9. You have to write these questions on your English notebook. Best of luck.